Ever wondered why a quick stop at Starbucks almost always costs more than you planned? It's not just the coffee, it's the store itself. From the smell of freshly brewed coffee to the way the food case glows, Starbucks has mastered the art of making us spend a little extra. Hi, I'm Ashley from Money Mind Method, and this is episode 2 of our Starbucks mini-series. In episode 1, we broke down why Starbucks charges more. Today, we're uncovering how their stores convince you to actually pay it. If you missed the first one, make sure to watch it after this. Let's start with layout. Ever notice how the food case is always the brightest part of the store? Your eyes go straight to the pastries and sandwiches, and those grab-and-go snacks by the register? Cookies, nuts, candy. They're low cost, but they pile up. Even the floor plan changes from time to time, so you'll notice new products you might not have tried before. It's subtle, but it works. Then there's the experience itself. The smell of coffee hits you before you even order. Warm lights, cozy chairs, and calm background music invite you to stay longer. And the longer you stay, the more likely you'll grab another drink or snack. Starbucks doesn't just sell coffee, they sell an atmosphere where spending feels natural. Starbucks keeps things exciting, from seasonal cups to limited-time hits like the pumpkin spice latte, caramel ribbon crunch, or the pink drink. Add in Frappy Hour deals and the loyalty app, and suddenly buying coffee feels like playing a game. If this opened your eyes, hit like and tell me in the comments. Which Starbucks trick do you notice most? Finally, the signal. Clean stores, smiling baristas, and that green mermaid logo tell you this brand is worth paying for. Seeing other people working, meeting, or studying inside makes it feel like the right place to be. It's a subtle message. If everyone else values it, so should you. And here's the best part. You can use the same ideas in your own business. 3 quick tips. Arrange your space so customers see extras. Display items near the register. Make the space comfortable. And train staff to be welcoming. So, this was episode 2 of our Starbucks mini-series. Next up, 3 Starbucks tricks any small business can copy. If you're running a business, this one's for you. So subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss it. Thanks for watching Money Mind Method, and let me know in the comments which Starbucks strategy surprised you most.